Hi, what's up everyone, and I really hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to delete conversation on ChatGPT on Windows. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, move into any web browser. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT login and move into very first link. Click on login. After login to your account, you'll be landing on this page. So as we're looking forward on how to delete conversation on ChatGPT, first of all, let's make one conversation right now. Well, the conversation has been generated successfully. Now in order to delete this conversation, what you need to do is just beside this chat, you'll get to see this icon. Click on it. And when you are actually ready to delete this conversation, click on this tick mark. Well, there you go, your conversation has been deleted successfully. Well, this much for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete conversation on ChatGPT on Windows. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.